Okay. Fractions are everywhere. Yeah, even when we don't notice them, because they're unbelievably popular, but it's like we don't notice them. Every time you split a pizza, share a chocolate bar, or divide between your homework and games and spending time on Roblox for and while having no life, you're using fractions. They're not just like they're not just like a school topic or whatever that teach you random stuff and random useless stuff in school. This is actually pretty useful. I'm not joking, but it's pretty useful. They like just a way of describing parts of a whole. A fraction has two main parts. The wait, the numerator and the denominator. So a fraction has two main as I said, a fraction has two main parts, the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the top number. So let's do 1/4 for example. You have the top number is the 1, and the denominator tells us how many equal parts the whole is split into. So like if the pizza here that I inserted 2 minutes ago is split into 4 parts, that becomes 1/4. Uh, and the numerator talks about how many of those parts we're talking about. For example, if let's talk about one half. Let's talk about one half here. The numerator, the whole is divided into 2 parts. So there's only 2 slices of pizza, I guess, and 50% of the pizza left. If you're doing it in percentage, but that's not our topic. So, and we're focusing on fractions only make sense when the parts are equal. If one slice of pizza is like tremendously large, and other is like small as is minical, that's not fair. That is not fair, and plus it's impossible to do it, I think, because you can do it sometimes, but I'm not gonna teach you that today. But yeah, that's how it works. So here, if 1/2 plus 1/2 oh wait, no, actually, let's draw 1/2 equals 2 plus equals to 1. No, 1. The reason how is because since the denominator is like, pretend the denominator is the limit, okay? And when we go over the limit, it becomes one whole. And sometimes we can go over the limit by like this. Wait, no, not like that, not like that. Yeah, you could just, like equals to, yeah, actually, you could do something like this. Oh, 3 1 chol. So this is what's called a mixed fraction. The mixed fraction is where like the mixed fraction is where like the whole whole number is where the fraction and the whole numbers here. So this is not just a limit, but it's like infinite, because you could just like get 50 billion or something, 50 billion then half and something like that. So then and the answer to this is obviously 2 1/2, and okay. Fractions only make sense when the oh yeah, I already said it. There are the different types of fractions though. Proper fractions that are smaller than 1. So like something like 3/4. Something like 3/4, and like 5/2. Mixed numbers combine a whole. Oh wait. Mixed numbers are combined. I combine the whole number and a fraction. So like I told you, this 5 halves is a mixed fraction. So yeah, this is a mixed fraction, fortunately. So yeah, fractions can also be compared. To compare them, we need a common denominator. So let's get 1 quarters and 1 quarters here. These 2 quarters. And this means, so what this means and tells us is that rewriting fractions, this means rewriting fractions so they're split into the same number of equal parts. Once the denominators match, comparing the numerators becomes easy and clear. So if this is plus, then this is 2/4. Yeah. So, yeah, the reason how you get 2/4 is because you don't also add the denominators because it's the part we're splitting into. But you can add the numerators together. We can like do like stuff with fractions that we do in basic class. So like we can do the 4 basic operations, which is plus, minus, multiplication, and I don't have a divided symbol. Oh no, I'm gonna take this as a divided symbol. And yeah, so yeah, as I said, how fractions are useful is that fractions are important because they help precise, measure, share, and calculate accurately instead of like going off topic. Without fractions, many parts of maths, like many parts of math, like a pizza here. Let me get a pizza cutter. Let's get this pizza cutter. And if this pizza gets by the pizza cutter, then us humans wouldn't know what the fraction is. And the fraction wasn't invented, then yeah, we would kill it. And yeah, so many parts. Yeah, this includes cooking, engineering, gaming like Roblox, and Roblox, Call of Duty, Marvel Rivals. Gmod doesn't really count. And Call of Duty, Black Ops 6. I don't know, but your favorite game. So yeah. So this is how fractions are useful, and when math starts to make more sense. Thank you guys for watching this amazing YouTube video. I hope to see you next time. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next year.